2000 Chevrolet Silverado. Has the 6.0 Brian Tooley Racing Stage 3 truck cam. It's 218, 224, 113 lobe separation, and I think 553 lift. Might be wrong on the specs, but you can look it up. I have a bunch of other modifications, but this will allow you to hear the cam in case you were thinking of purchase. Very nicely, not too far off of really what a stock idle would be. I think this might be like only maybe 50, maybe 80, somewhere around that range, more RPMs than what stock would be. Very nice cam. It does have a very smooth power band. Really all through the curve. My truck shifts out at 64 100 RPMs, and really it makes good power down low. It makes good power up top. I would recommend the cam to whomever. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.